You've never used cotton pads like this before. They'll make your problem disappear. Grab a medium-sized plastic plate and cover it with cotton pads. These pads absorb liquids. By using this simple solution, you'll avoid harsh chemicals and keep your space pest-free. Next, pour vinegar over them, a natural repellent. Add oil to each pad. Olive oil or essential oil works too. This enhances the vinegar's effect. Sprinkle a pinch of red pepper on each pad and don't forget ground black pepper, a product rodents avoid. This mix has a strong scent that repels pests. You can also place them near windows and doors to create a barrier that mice won't want to cross. Place these traps in areas prone to rodents, like basements or garages. Replace every few days to keep them effective. This method is safe, non-toxic, and easy to prepare with common household items.